Thank you.
How do you do it? Can I see?
Yeah.
How do you have this screen like this? So
How do I do that? It's a background. You can get like an app, like an application on your phone. It has so many backgrounds to choose from. Yeah. Cool, right? Do you like it?
Yeah, that's nice.
I like it. I think it's cool.
That's something different.
Thanks. Yeah. Something different. Something different. You just dropped ice in your crop. I was gonna put in orange cream. You like Leah's nose piercing? She got it today. Big. Leo, what the hell? You have a circle on your nose. It's like you're picking your nose.